Hi there, students. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about how I graded assignment 3.7 with the revisions. So I'm going to turn off the webcam and go to the screen and show you a few things that will help you to figure out where to find my comments and how your grade was determined. Okay, so this is a sample of what I see on my screen when I look at your assignment. Your screen may look a little different, but what I want you to do is go to your assignment after you see your grade and look at it. You'll see these blue speech bubbles and these yellow highlights. Now, when you click on the blue speech bubble, you're going to see some general comments from me. You're also going to see a points. Sometimes the points are down here and sometimes they're up here. It just depends on what I was doing at the time. Um, Another thing you're going to see is this yellow highlighted words. Now, when I was grading and I highlighted this, I also put comments with it. However, now that I am looking at it in my computer, while I'm making this video, I cannot see the comments. So what I would like to ask you to do is please to click on the yellow word, okay, and see if you can read the comments that I posted there. Okay, if you can, that's great. You don't need to do anything. But if you cannot see the yellow highlight comments, please email me so that I know I need to go in and fix something. I don't know if this is a technical problem or if it's the way that my computer is showing it to me because I'm in teacher mode. So I just need your help to let me know if you can see that. But together, basically the blue comments are supposed to tell you the points that you got on that sentence and my general comments. The yellow is supposed to be either corrections or suggestions on that particular phrase or word. So I really need for you to let me know if you can see that or not. Okay, the other thing that you'll notice over here in this student, up here in the black, and it will look different on your screen, but you'll see that says average of graded attempts because you made 2 attempts. Your first attempt and your second are added together, divided by 2 to get your final score. Now, I don't want you to get too discouraged by this assignment. You may feel like, oh my goodness, my score is so low, but remember, we're at the beginning of the semester. Paraphrasing is difficult. You still have a lot to learn and you're going to be practicing a lot. So you're going to get better at this. Okay, so we're not going to redo this assignment again. You'll have to accept the score that you have for now, but I am confident that based on the way that you work, you are really good students. I feel like I'm going to see progress. You are going to see progress and you're going to get better at this. So feel free to email me with questions about yours if you want to, but I don't want you to get discouraged if you feel like, oh my goodness, my average is really low. Okay, because that is normal for this class. Okay, that is normal. Okay, here's another tip that I want to point out. When you do your first attempt, you will often see that I attached a document that looks something like this one. And let me see if I can go to it. Okay, so I attached a document like this where I made some comments at the top for you. And then I also gave you a color code. All right. Now, here's the thing. I also made comments over here on the right side of the screen, but you can't see them if you're in this mode. You have to click over here on download. Okay. And then it will open a document for you, which I may not be able to show you right here because of the limits of the software I'm using for the recording. But when you download and open this Word document, then you will see on the right-hand side of the screen, I have put comments as well as the color coding. So you should be able to and you can't see it here because of I'm in this. You could maybe go to Office compatibility mode. I don't think that's going to help us though. I think the best thing to do is to download the document. Click this download here. Um, then you see down here in the bottom, there's my document. I'm going to open that. And then when I open that, I will be able to see um, the comments that are on the right side of the screen. So this is really important, and I hope that you guys will be able to figure that out. The reason is I notice that sometimes students don't make all the changes that I suggest, and I understand that. Sometimes that happens, but it might be because they didn't see the comments, okay? So in the future, you'll know that it's not just the colors. I don't just put colors. I also put comments on the right-hand side. Okay, and if you can't see those, you need to download the document so that you can see them. And they are in, if you're in Word, it's called Review. And you can see um, you can see the comments on the right side of your page. And you sometimes you have to click on them to expand them, but that's going to help you a lot as well. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that and so that you would see where to find the comments that I've given to you for this assignment. And to reassure you that this is a hard part of the course. Paraphrasing and summarizing is hard, and in the beginning of the semester, your grades may be lower than you wish they were, but that's part of the learning process and it will get better. Okay, I promise it will get better and you're going to improve and it's going to be great. So hang in there. You're doing a great job. You're great students. I'm enjoying working with you. I will have an online office hour tonight, February 13th at 7 p.m. You can come then and ask questions. If that's not a good time for you, you are very welcome to email me. We can set up either our own online session or we can talk on the telephone. I can meet you on campus. There's lots of options if you feel like you need a little extra help. One more thing, students, when you go in your menu to tools, let me see, here it is above the online meeting room, you see tools. If you click on tools, it takes you to these links. I'm sorry, and you can't see that because I'm in a different tab. I apologize. Okay, I apologize for that, students. Over here in tools, okay, when you click on tools, you come to this page that I'm looking at now. And there is something here called Smart Thinking, okay? This is free online tutoring that's available to you. If you feel like you need a little extra help with paraphrasing, summarizing, vocabulary, any Nova online class that you're taking, it doesn't have to be my class, it could be another class. You can click here on this link and it will take you to this service. Okay, let me see if I can go there. Yeah. And you basically can go in as a student and you can get a tutor to help you. Okay, you can get study aids. There's all kinds of great things in there for you. So if you feel like you need a little extra help and you're having, you need to do it with someone else, that is a great resource. And, you're paying for that resource through your tuition. So feel free to use it. Okay, students, I am really glad to have had the chance to talk to you today. And please let me know if you have questions, okay, and concerns. I am not concerned. I know that I think you guys are doing great, and I'm proud of you, and I'm proud of the work that you're doing. So keep it up and have a great week, everybody. Thank you.